Before planting garlic, it's a smart idea to give the cloves a homemade pesticide treatment to keep pests and diseases at bay. Begin by selecting healthy garlic cloves and discarding any that look damaged or moldy. Once you've chosen the best cloves, make a simple pesticide solution by mixing 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of vinegar into 1 liter of water. Soak the garlic cloves in this mixture for a couple of hours. This helps to clean the cloves, prevent fungal infections, and protect them from pests, giving them a good start. After soaking, let the cloves air dry for a few hours before planting. The next crucial step is to aerate the soil where you'll be planting the garlic. Aerating the soil is important because it loosens the soil, allowing air, water, and nutrients to reach the garlic roots more easily. Garlic bulbs need loose, well-draining soil to grow properly, as compacted soil can stunt the growth of the bulbs. If the soil is too tight, the bulbs won't have the space to expand, and they may rot due to poor drainage. Aerating the soil with a garden fork or hoe breaks up the compacted areas, ensuring that the garlic can grow freely and develop well. After the soil is properly aerated, you can prepare a special fertilizer mix to feed the garlic and protect it from pests. Instead of mixing bone meal and neem cake powder with the soil directly, mix 1 cup of bone meal and neem cake powder with compost. This will create a nutrient-rich blend that is perfect for garlic. Bone meal is packed with phosphorus, which encourages healthy root development. Since garlic relies heavily on strong roots to grow large bulbs, phosphorus is essential for a good harvest. Neem cake powder, on the other hand, acts as a natural pest repellent while also providing nitrogen and other nutrients that promote plant growth. Once you've mixed the bone meal and neem cake powder with compost, spread the mixture evenly on top of the aerated soil. Then, lightly mix this blend with the top layer of soil in the planting bed. This ensures that the nutrients are available for the garlic to absorb and that the soil has enough fertility to support healthy bulb growth while keeping pests away. By adding this mixture, you're setting up the garlic plants for strong and healthy growth. When it's time to plant the garlic, spacing is an important factor. The ideal spacing for garlic cloves can range from 3 to 8 inches apart, depending on the variety you are growing. Some garlic varieties produce large bulbs that need more space to grow, while others are smaller but may have a stronger flavor. The variety we're planting doesn't produce very large bulbs, but the flavor is incredibly intense and delicious. Because of this, we can plant the cloves closer together, about 3 inches apart. This gives the garlic just enough room to grow without overcrowding the bed. By treating the cloves with a homemade pesticide, aerating the soil, adding a nutrient-rich compost mix, and carefully spacing the cloves, you are setting your garlic up for a successful growing season. Even though this variety won't produce the biggest bulbs, the intense flavor it offers makes the harvest well worth the effort. Following these steps will ensure that the garlic grows strong and healthy, providing you with a flavorful and rewarding crop. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more gardening advice, please like, subscribe, and check out our other videos.